This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Isabel Chavela Gonzalez. Lower penthouse southeast corner unit offering spacious split bedroom floor plan. Open kitchen concept with Italian cabinetry. In the heart of Brickell within walking distance to top restaurants and shops. Easy access to I-95, minutes away from Miami International Airport, Coconut Grove, Key Biscayne, Coral Gables, Miami Beach, Wynwood, Design District. Offered furnished. Please use Show Assist to schedule appointments. For more information, review the details below.